Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. So today's video, we're going to talk about how to turn credit into cash. And the reason I'm doing this video is because I did a poll and a lot of people were asking for this information. So that's kind of like how we set up our channel so that we can give out all the great information, gems and nuggets on how to increase your credit scores. So a lot of times people want learning about credit, and once they get their credit fixed to the 700s and the 800s, now it's like, what do you do, right? So a lot of people don't know you can turn your credit into cash. So and I'm gonna give a couple tips today to show y'all how you can turn your credit into cash and take liabilities and turn them into assets, right? Because that's what the name of the game, that's what it's all about. You can't leave behind liabilities, but you can leave behind assets. So hey, if you're on the YouTube channel, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscription button, and smash that bell so you can get all my up-to-date videos and credit tips and gems. So turning credit into cash. Step one. Excuse me. So step one is getting your credit together, right? To make yourself look appealing to the credit bureaus and all of that stuff, you want to make sure that your data points are on point. You want to make sure that your data points are set up and the way they're supposed to be set up, so that you can get all the credit, get the credit cards, get the business funding, all that stuff, right? Because what we're talking about today is how to make your credit work for you and not you work for it. So key things to getting your data points, right? You want to make sure that you got 100% payment history, because that is 35% of your credit report. You want to make sure that you have 0 derogatory remarks, right? You want to make sure that your utilization is between 1 to 9%. And you want to make sure that you have at a minimum 5 accounts that are open. And you want to make sure that you have at the most 5 inquiries, hard inquiries across all 3 bureaus, right? So this is going to make you look the most appealing to the banks, to lenders, car dealerships, etc., right? Now, once you have that all set up, now you're able to go and start applying for different credit, things of that nature, right? And so one of the tips right here is that I'm gonna give you guys is that you can, once you get your credit together, once you get your credit clean, you can then leverage your credit to go into any dealership, right? And you want to go buy a car in your business name. So make sure that you get your business set up. If you don't know how to do that, check the link in the bio, because I'm gonna have a link to my new business credit ebook, and I break down all the steps and how to set up your business the right way so that you can go get 100K in funding for your business, right? Now, once you got all that set up, you're able to apply for credit and stuff. Now you're able to go get a car in your business name, right? This is for all my entrepreneurs out there, to set up your to use your credit to set up for your business, right? So you want to go into the dealership and you want to put the car in your business name. Now you're going to take that car and then you're going to put it on this app called Turo, right? Turo is a way for you to make money renting your car out, right? So that if you're buying this car, I know a lot of you gonna say, hey Eric, well man, what about the note? Well, here I'm gonna show you how to take care of the note. This is how you turn credit into cash, right? So you're gonna put the car on Turo, and then people gonna rent your car, right? So let's say I'm in a Porsche Cayenne right now. It rents for $135 a day. Let's say that the note is, I don't know, $800, right? Just for kicks and giggles, right? So if I rent it out for $135 a day and it's $800 a month, how many days would I need to rent it out for to get the note paid, right? We know there are 30 days in a month, or 31 sometimes, and 28 on the leap year, that if you rent it out $135 a day, you done made your note plus profit. This is how you turn credit into cash. right? Because you took the time to get your credit together, because you took the time to make sure that your data points were on point, now you turned that credit into cash. Now you took a car, which we all know is a liability. We took that liability and turned it into an asset, because now it's creating cash flow for us. It's creating passive income for us, that all we got to do is go rent the car out, make sure that the car is clean, and rent it out. Now we making money, right? With your credit, you can turn credit into cash, right? So now, tip number 2, how to turn credit into cash, right? So now, again, you done got your credit clean, you done got your all your data points look great. All right, so now that you got everything on point, right, all your data points looking great, right, just like I said in the beginning, now you want to go into whoever you bank with. I suggest, and this is just me personally, I would suggest going to a credit union, because they always got the best rates for everything, pretty much. But whoever you bank with, go in there and apply for a credit card, right? Now, what you can do with that credit card, depending on the limits that you get, if you're a person that's wanting to get into real estate, or you want to invest in something, but all you got is the credit card, right? So this is the second tip on how you can turn credit into cash. All right, so you get the credit card. Now you want to go to, there's a website called the Simon's Mall gift card, right? You want to get that gift card. You want to pay for it with your credit card. Now you may have to do it a couple times depending on the amount of credit that you have on your credit card. But if you want to max out the credit card so you can turn it into cash, this is what you're gonna have to do. So go to that website. You're gonna apply for the the gift card. You're gonna get the gift card, pay for it with your credit card, right? So you want to then take the gift card and you want to go to anywhere that does money orders, right? You want to pay for the money order with the gift cards. Now, I know you're gonna probably say, well, hey Eric, why would I use the gift card? Well, because that's where the cash is right now, because you use the credit card to get the gift cards. In order to turn it into cash, we got to convert it over, right? So we're going to take the gift cards, and we're going to get money orders. Now, on that same website, you can create a PIN code for each one of the each one of the gift cards, and that way, when you go to do the process, you can put in the PIN code at the when you put your when they ask for the payment for the the money order, you can put it in there, right? So you're going to get the money order. Now that you have the money order, right, you then took the credit card, bought the gift cards. Now you got the gift cards and then got the money order. Now you want to take those money orders and deposit them into your bank. We just turn credit into cash. Just that simple, right? So if you're trying to do let's say that your credit limit on your card is $30,000 and you're trying to invest in some real estate. Well, you can use this method to go get the $30,000, right? Because new credit cards most of the time have 0% interest 12 to 18 months. So now you just taking the money and turn it into cash. You turn credit into cash. You just liquidated $30,000 in credit. OPM, other people's money. It ain't even yours. Because once you invest, let's say you're investing in the real estate, you take the $30,000, you're going to invest in the property. Now you done flip the property. You done got the $30,000 back, because now you're going to take the profit from the flip and you're going to put it back on the credit card to pay that off. You're good to go on that balance. And now you're sitting there with the rest of your profit. See, this is like understanding that credit is so key. Credit is king in today's world, that, man, it can change your life in so many different ways. So you got to make sure that your data points are on point. You got to make sure that you have 0 late payments. You got to make sure that you have 0 derogatory remarks like collections and things of that nature. You got to make sure that you have at least 5 accounts open. You got to make sure that your utilization. Hey guys, the video cut out, but I just wanted to re-emphasize that you have to make sure that your data points are on point, and you have to make sure that everything is aligned and that you are taking care of what you need to for your credit. The number one thing that kills credit is their habits. So we have to start developing better habits. We have to start doing the things that we need to do, taking responsibility and getting everything in line that we need to for our credit. So, hey guys, if you like the video, please go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscription button, and smash that bell so that you can get all my up-to-date videos. And if you like this video, you're definitely gonna like the next videos up and coming. These are some of my popular videos. So, hey, I'm just here to drop gems and tips for you guys to help you get back on the right path for your credit. And I thank you for watching. Stay tuned to the next one. Be blessed.